Ready to give your Gmail a personal touch by updating your profile picture? Let's get this done in just a few simple steps. First, open your Gmail account. In a web browser, you're going to be looking for your current profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen, next to your inbox. Click on that little icon. A small menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see your current profile picture and some other options. Look for the option that says Change Profile Photo or something similar, and click on it. Now, you're on your Google account profile page. Here, you'll see a section dedicated to your profile picture. You'll notice your current image or a placeholder. Click on the Upload button, which is usually a camera icon or a button that says Change or Edit. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Navigate to wherever you've saved your new profile picture. Select the image you want to use, and then click Open. Your chosen image will now appear. In a cropping tool, you can adjust the size and position of your picture within the circle to make sure the best part of the image is visible. Drag the corners of the circle or the image itself to get it just right. Once you're happy with how your picture looks within the circle, click on the Save button. This is crucial to finalize your changes. And there you have it. Your new profile picture is now officially set and will be visible to anyone you email. You've successfully personalized your Gmail experience. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Happy emailing!